if 13 cos theta is equal to 5, without using a calculator, determine the value of item 1, sin theta, 2, cos theta plus 45. So I want to start with sin theta. So what we need to do here, we play around with the expression 13 cos theta is equal to 5. So we divide by 13 both sides so that we can find the value of cos theta. So cos theta will be equal to 5 over 13. So this one will help us to sketch our right angle triangle like this, where we have our theta there. Then we know that from trig ratios, cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is 5, this is 13. So also need to find that missing side. We have to apply Pythagoras theorem to find the missing side. This is our, so we have leg hypotenuse. So let me give it a name y. So y squared plus 5 squared is equal to 13 squared. That's Pythagoras theorem. So y squared is equal to 13 squared is equal to 169 minus 5 squared, which is 25. So y squared is equal to 169 minus 125 minus 25. Get 144. Then we apply square root, then y is equal to 12. So here we have 12 at this point. So the first question says calculate the value of, determine the value of sin theta. So sin theta, from trig ratio, sin theta is opposite of adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13. So we have 12 over 13. That's the value of sin theta. If they ask tan theta, let me just get tan theta. Tan theta is equal to its opposite over adjacent, which is 12 over 5. For in case if they ask, they can ask us to find cosec theta. Cosec, what we need to know is cosec is 1 over sin theta. So that will be the reciprocal of this one. So our answer will be 1 over 12 over 13. Then it simplifies to 13 over 12. Then for sec theta, this will be equal to 1 over, sec is 1 over cos theta, which is equal to 1 over cos, it's 5 over 13. So this will simplify to 13 over, equals 13 over 5. Then they can ask cot as well. Cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. So this is equal to 1 over tan theta, we say it is 12 over 5. And this will be 5 over 12. So now let's see how we can do this one, the number 2, cos theta plus 45. For cos theta plus 45, This is a compound angle identity, so we need to expand it. And then it expands to cos theta cos 45 degrees minus sin theta sin 45 degrees. So this will be equal to cos theta. We know that cos theta is 5 over 13. Then we substitute with 5 over 13 multiplied by cos 45. 45 is a special angle, so the value of cos 45 is root 2 over 2. Subtract sin theta. The value of sin theta calculated, we said is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13. Then multiplied by sin 45, it's root 2 over 2. Then we have a common factor, root 2 over 2 here, we can factor it out. Then we'll be left with 5 over 13 minus 12 over 13. This is equal to root 2 over 2. Here, 5 over 13 minus 12 over 13. The denominator is common, so we just write 13 there. Then we say 5 minus 13, which is minus 12, we get minus 7. So our final answer will be minus 7 root 2 over, we multiply these ones, 2 times 13, we get 26. So our final answer is, let me take it up here, it's negative 7 root 2 over 26. If the question asks you to round it, to give it to some decimal places, sometimes they can say 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place, you just convert it to decimal. Otherwise, if the question doesn't ask you to give the answer to a certain decimal number of places, you leave it in this form.